the train, you guys. Woohoo! Ah! BNSF! Down there. Out of my way, car. Over here. Go ahead, cross the street. Right here. Back at Mad River. Once again, there's that train. I actually heard it. I was in the shop actually, and yeah, we'll see it here, and then we'll see it down there. So in the shop, we're gonna ask for Wi-Fi, and then I heard the horn of a train, and then came rushing out to see the train. Car. But hey, there's train of the day. Got signals over there, signal right there, signal right there. Just gonna go ahead and keep walking until we... Oh, we can cross over here. But train. Woot woot. Never walked this far. And on our way here, you guys, we passed Norfolk Southern's headquarters. There we go. That's, I think, as close as we're gonna get today, and film the rest of the train. Yeah. Cool. We'll go under the bridge. It's either there's another train, you guys, or that diesel is just, those diesels are very loud. There we go in the shade. Right next to the signal. That noise you heard was a burp. There's the horn of the train. We might have another train. I said we might. We might. It's possible. Once they're out of the yard, they do. They speed up, but since this is like half of a spur, then Nope, that was just the horn of the train. No, second one. After this train is taking us over to the crossing and then see if there's anything. It's almost 90 out. So, luckily we found some shade and we're filming under the shade. So you guys can see the train on it. I'm just coming up here. Oh, open boxcar doors. Open. 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 And there we go. There goes it. It's off. Alright. Take you guys over to the crossing, see if there's anything else. If not, I'll shut the camera off and wait just a bit longer. Signals I don't think are shut off. Almost they might be. Or it's all in the sun too, you guys. So. No, signals are still on. They're just red. Be cool to see an Amtrak here. Just don't want to trip on anything. This is a yard. Mad River is located in Bellevue, Ohio. That's an F unit. And then we will cross the tracks and then see if there's a little somebody special out. I can still hear the horn from here. Let's just put something in the car. F unit. I gotta mention. Yeah, just never trespass. That's bad. Alright, let's see. Nothing that way, and can't really tell. We'll head across over here. Yeah. Well, cross over and then See if there's somebody special that I can put on camera. But there's a steam engine in the yard. There you go. Okay. Go across the tracks again. And then we'll track again. See if there's anything. No. Double check. And a good look. Nope. There's some corn from a train that possibly went through. And a caboose. And a Norfolk and Western high hood. That's some passenger cars. Some cabooses. Doesn't look like she's out. There just heard a horn. Or I'm just tripping. Nope, just... That's another horn. God dang it. And... Can I just cross on my own? No.
Yeah. Just look both ways.
Yep. Might have another train here. It's coming from over there. Give it a minute here. Stand in the shade. Can't pause it. So if I do, that'll just completely shut down the video. So we were just walking over there and hear another horn. I gotta get in shade. Tablet's heating up. But we will see. I can tell because those gates over there. Plus I can hear it. So if there is one, the gates will activate and I will hear it. And I can't really check the signals because I'd have to be over there to actually check the signals. But I'm gonna shut off the camera and see if there's anything. Shut off the camera and wait. Whew. No, because if